Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you another very popular Chinese breakfast combination. And I got some chive, Chinese chive, which you can get from the Chinese supermarket in the big city, major cities. And I chop them into about 2 inches, and I put 2 eggs in, and I put some salt on the chive first, and let it get a bit salty. And so what you do, you mix them, mix the chive with the egg. This kind of omelette, Chinese omelette, and it's very nice. Go with noodles. And in this pan, I'm going to boil some water. And now it's going to, once it's boiled, I'm going to put some dried street noodles, which is the real Chinese will eat, rather than the pot noodles all the time, which is, I think is fried first, the cup noodles, the instant noodles, which is less healthy than the one it just got flour, not much inside. So now you just stir fry them and let them become one. This chive is very popular vegetable in China. Apparently, it's very good for you. I think it's good for your kidney, I think people say. And so now this water is boiled. Have a look. This means non-fried noodles. Basically, they just made with the dough and dried it. So I do a bunch. So this kind of noodles is the Chinese people eat. And sometimes thicker, sometimes thinner. I prefer the thin ones. I prefer thinner than this one. But you have to go to a Chinese supermarket like Wing Eat or other Chinese supermarket to get this kind of noodles. Or if you go to a small Chinese shop and you ask them to get some for you, they will have. Normally they're very helpful. And so this is the egg is almost done. Look, it's got dark green color and yellow color this time. Well, the basic knowledge is different color vegetables normally have different nutrients inside. So, well, I heard that people saying if you don't know the nutrients, you eat as many as different color of vegetable and fruits, so that you get all the nutrients there. And if you don't have Chinese chive, you can use the normal chive, local chive from the supermarket. They are about 70p, 60p a bunch. You get 2 bunches maximum, and then you do the same way and put a little bit of salt in the chive and wait for a few minutes, and then beat 2 eggs in and beat them, and put some oil, fry them. So basically it's done. So I think it's done. Look. And some of them are a little bit crispy already. And this is one of my favorite dish. And this chive is one of my favorite vegetables as well. So, and now come back to here. See, the noodles are boiling. Swap over, and you see the noodles more clearly. I normally boil it about 3-4 minutes in boiling water. And you look at the back, they give you instructions. They said 4 minutes. And you can, after it's done in the boiling water, you can drain them in the cold water. That way the noodles will be more kind of elastic, rather than soggy, but either way is good. So I think it's done. Now I feel with instant noodle, it's better to boil them first. If you want to fry noodles, boil them first, not too well done, and 80% done. And then you can add the vegetables and meat or prawn you like to do. It's better to use that instant noodle to do fried noodles. But again, your fried things contains oil, and so try to boil them, but meantime make it tasty. And so this case, this is very bland, but this is very tasty. So two of them together, they make you eat and feel enjoyable. If it's both bland, it's a bit hard to eat. So now is the noodles. Look at the egg, and nice, a little bit crispy, and the noodles are almost done. And so I'm going to take them out now. I'll put the noodles in the bowl, and then I'll put the eggs in the plate. Okay, I hope this is Chinese chive with egg omelette, and this is boiled plain noodles, dried plain noodles. And so try it at home. And it's easy, tasty, and nutritious. Have a good Sunday. Bye bye.